New proximity prompts allow you to create interactions without custom systems. I'm going to explain all of its properties and events. They are really simple to understand. First one is action text. It changes the text near to the E letter. You can click on this prompt. If you make clickable prompt property false, you want to be able to click on it and activate it like that. Next one is enabled. If it's false, it won't show up and won't function. Next one is exclusivity. If you have different proximity prompts with same triggers, this will determine which one or which ones will show up on the screen. One globally shows only one prompt at once. It probably depends on the distance. Always shows all of the available prompts. And one per button only shows one prompt among all prompts, which were assigned to same key. Gamepad key code is the key code. If you use gamepad, hold duration is how long you need to hold for activation. If it's 0 then it's instant activation. I think this is the best feature of proximity prompts. Activation key code is which key you want to use. Nice thing about this is, this letter icon changes with activation key. Maximum activation distance is the maximum distance it'll activate in studs. Object text creates a small text on the prompt. Next one is requires line of sight. If this is on, your character will be able to see and interact with prompt when prompt is in its line of sight. If you set this as false or just untick it will only look for distance before popping up. Style isn't that important, but if you want to use a custom design for UI, set this to custom. UI offset is for offsetting the UI, if you need that. This object also has some events. These events detect various type of actions like when you start to interact with it, when it ends, when you start and end holding it, when it pops up and disappears. It looks like only triggered and trigger ended can be used in a server script. Other ones can be detected only on a local script. Local scripts can't run on workspace, so don't parent the local script to proximity prompt. Also these events have a return, which is the player who triggered for all of them other than prompt shown. Its return is a proximity prompt input type and it basically tells you which control device they are using, like gamepad, keyboard, or touch. It's an enum value by the way. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in comments. I try to answer all of them. That was it for this video. Hope you understood. See you in another one.